So this is an HP ProBook. I don't know what generation it is. Okay, it's a Core i5 Gen. These these type of HP laptops have an inbuilt, but not necessarily inbuilt, but they tend to have a battery that always has a cover. And at most of these times, these laptops don't contain a CMOS battery. When I'm talking of CMOS battery, this is a CMOS battery. This is a CMOS battery. This component, this is the battery that powers up the system clock. The system clock is one that keeps the events of a machine. So that's when still while you remove your computer's battery, you still can get the time still accurate and things. So this is the CMOS battery. It powers up the CMOS. So apparently this is the second time I'm dealing with this same issue, and the issue is just it's a small issue. I'll call it small, but not professionally small. So when an instance that this machine, it occurs that this machine fails to boot, mostly it's because this happens in instances where you've been using your machine and it used all its charge, all its battery, so it went off. And when you plug in, it just shows the charging, but the screen does not light up or it blinks on the caps lock. Simply what you do, you just come open this back. This is the casing of its back. You open it, remove the battery. Then after removing the battery, you plug in the charger. This is its charger. You plug it in. Once you plug it in, you see the caps lock button gives a blink. Then you open it. You long press on the power button. There. And to reset the BIOS, because the CMOS powers the BIOS, you just long press on the power button. After a while, it consumes all the power in the from the motherboard, so it resets the CMOS, and that's how our HP is on. Yeah, it's a common issue with HP laptops, and that's the solution. The other machine I'm having here is also a HP laptop, but it's serving a different issue. The issue is the SSD is not reading, and the hard disk placed inside this hard disk is not this hard disk is non-functional. I was just testing, and I've seen it's also a common issue. So probably the issue is the SSD card. The SSD is a 256 SSD from Gionix. Preferably you should be using a Samsung NVMe or mSATA, any of those. So yeah, that's how I've been solving the issue. I think HP laptops are prone to issues, and that's the HP. It's the old logo. This also has the old logo. Thank you.